Hello Algebra 1, this is our QQR for our Unit 12 quiz today, so this should help you review for the concepts that will be on your quiz. So 1, 2, and 3 are about our central measures of central tendency, and this is our mean, median, and mode. So this following chart shows the top 5 states that spend the most at Walmart each year, and as you can tell, these numbers are in order for you, which is nice. For the mean, we are going to add up all of our numbers and then divide by how many there are, which is 5. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so I'm adding them all up. Okay, I think that looks good. All right, so I get this, and then I'm going to divide by how many there are, and there are 5. So that's $1,512.72. Okay, so that's the average amount of money that someone is spending at Walmart each year. Median is our number in the middle once we're in order, and since we're already in order, we can just go right down the line and cross off until we find our number in the middle, which is going to be Arkansas, $1,494.80. And then mode, none of these values are the same, so our mode is just none. All right, the chart to the right shows the survey results of a group of people choosing their favorite car color. What percent of people chose red as their favorite color? Well, this is kind of a funny pie chart because your red is in blue and your blue is in red, but that's okay. First, we should find our total because our total will go on the bottom. So I'm going to add everything up. And I'm getting my total to be 165. And I want red, so that's 22. That will go on top. And now I will just divide them. Okay, and if we multiply by 100, this is about 13.3%, or you could say around 13%. Use the survey to predict how many people would choose blue if the survey were expanded to 500 people. So remember, when we're predicting or looking at a new situation, that's when we're going to set up a proportion and then cross multiply. Okay, so start with your original situation. We're looking at blue, which is 45, out of our total is 165. And in this new situation, the total is 500 people. So that new total is 500, and we're looking for X, which is on top. All right, and now we can go ahead and we can cross multiply. $165x equals 45 times 500, which is 22,500. And then we'll divide by our 165. And remember, we're going to chop off our decimal for people. We can't have a decimal number of people, so we'll say this is about 136 people. All right, next. You go out to dinner with 3 friends. Your restaurant bill comes to $40.22. You had good service and would like to leave a 20%, this should say tip, and then split the bill with your friends. So first, how much tip do you leave? We'll take our 0.20 and we will multiply that by our bill. Okay, so let's type that in. And that'll be $8.04 because this 4 here is not big enough to round our 4 up. So remember, that's just the tip. To find the total bill now, we'll add that on to the $40.22. So 40.22 plus 804. That's 48.26. Okay, and now we want to split the bill. Make sure you know how many people went out to dinner. It's you go out to dinner with 3 friends. So that means there are 4 people total, and that's what we'll divide by. And that's $12, and the 6 is going to be pushed up by the 5, so 7 cents. Great, I think there's one more on the back. Which is cheaper when you want to buy a $60 coat? Show work to support your answer. All right, so we should know which is cheaper just looking at the options here. The double discount, the combined discount will always be better for you. So this is going to be the cheaper one. Let's find the price for each. So if we're taking 25% off, we're going to multiply 0.25 times 60. Which gives us 15. Remember, 15 is the discount. So now we'll subtract it off. And that gives us $45. Okay, so that's when you get the combined discount. Now we'll go ahead and we will do each discount separately. So I'll start with the 15%. Multiply it by the 60. That's $9. Remember, that's your discount, so we're going to subtract that off of the 60. 60 minus 9 is $51. Now we're taking off 10%. So that's a 0.10. Make sure you're multiplying it by your new price of 51. And that's 5.1. Okay. And then again, that's the discount, so we'll subtract it off. And 5.1 is really $5.10, just to be clear. So that leaves us with $45.90. So, I mean, in this situation, there is not a huge deal. Like, it's not a huge difference, right? It's just 90 cents more. But, I mean, you would rather pay less, right? So the combined discount is always better for the buyer. All right. Okay, hopefully that was helpful for your quiz today. And please let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.